In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Teachable. By the end, you'll have a clear, practical path from setting up your school, to building a course, to making it available for students to enroll. Start by creating your Teachable school. Sign up for an account, then choose a school name that clearly reflects what you teach. Set your branding with a clean logo and a simple color palette so your pages look consistent and professional. Next, customize your homepage navigation and layout. Keep the menu short and obvious so visitors can quickly find your courses and any key information about your offerings. A clear structure helps build trust and makes it easier for prospective students to take the next step. Before you sell anything, set up payments. In your admin, go to Settings, then Payments, and connect a payment gateway such as Teachable, Pay. Follow the prompts to verify your details. Make sure the information you enter matches your business records, and double-check your payout preferences and supported currencies. This is also a good moment to confirm how taxes and regional requirements apply to you so there are no surprises at checkout. Now, create your course. Head to Courses and select New Course. Enter a working title and author, then click Create. Inside the course editor, add sections to break your curriculum into logical chunks and add lessons within each section. Keep lessons focused and concise so learners can make steady progress. Upload your content in the Curriculum tab. Add videos, PDFs, text, and images directly to each lesson. Organize materials in a way that builds from fundamentals to more advanced topics. Use clear file names and short descriptions so you can manage updates easily later. If you have downloadable worksheets or slides, include them in the relevant lesson and consider adding brief summaries or key takeaways at the end of each section to reinforce learning. With your content in place, add pricing. Open the Pricing tab inside your course and choose the model that makes sense. Free for introductory materials, a one-time payment for a complete program, or a subscription for ongoing content. You can adjust this as your audience grows, but pick a plan that aligns with the value and the level of access you intend to offer. When you're ready, publish your course. In the Information tab, click Publish Course to make it live. Give everything one final review in Student View, confirm your payment setup, and you're ready to share your school with the world.